Initial sound, letter W. The sound of letter W is W. The sound of letter W is W. W, W, wum. W, W, wum. W, W, whale. W, W, whale. W, W, water. W, W, water. W, W, window. W, W, window. Okay kids, now let's do the exercise in English Preschool Module, page 68, 69 and 70. Thank you.